Assalamualaikum. Today I will answering a plastic processing quiz. For the first question is provide 3 characteristics of the thermoplastic that make them a popular choice for making products. For thermoplastics, they are a popular choice for making products because they possess 3 distinct characteristics that differentiate them from other polymers. First, they are materials that can be softened by heating and hardened by cooling, a process that can be repeated many times without significant chemical change or degradation. Second, their molecular structure consists of long chain molecules that are held together by weak secondary bonds. When heat is applied, these bonds weaken, allowing the chains to slide past each other so the material can be reshaped. Finally, because they do not undergo a permanent chemical set during processing, they are generally recyclable and can be shredded and remelted into new products, making them a versatile and sustainable choice for manufacturing. For the second question, select and expand a suitable and an economical process to produce the plastic product below with diagrams. So for the plastic production, which is a car bumper, the most suitable and economical process is injection molding. So this is the process of the injection molding, which I have sketched, and all the label for the part of the process is shown in the sketch. This is the injection molding process cycle for the car bumper. So the first one is the mold will be closed, and then the second, the polymer will be is injected into the cavity. The third one is the screw will be retracted, and the last one will be mold opens and part is ejected for the last process. So the process shown, which a polymer is heated to a highly plastic state and forced to flow under high pressure into a mold cavity where it solidifies to leave a part with the desired shape. As shown in my sketch, the injection molding machine consists of an injection unit and a clamping unit. The injection unit features a hopper that fits plastic pellets into the barrel one. Into the barrel, where a reciprocating screw rotates to mix and melt the plastic using heat from both external heaters and internal friction. Heated with the heater. Then the production cycle begins with the mold closed, followed by the screw moving forward to inject the polymer into the cavity. A hold pressure is then maintained to compensate for shrinkage as the part cools. While the part inside solidifies, the material for the next shot retracts to melt more material for the next shot. Finally, the mold opens and ejector pins push the finished bumper out, completing a cycle that is highly efficient for high volume and for high volume mass production. That's all for answering the question for chapter 12, plastic processing.